Chickens. They're out of food. Don't let your chickens run out of food. Back up. Back up. Back up. No. 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 Ow. Ow. No. Back up. Back up. Back up. Don't peck me. Don't do it. Don't. Yeah. Ah. Don't peck me, Cluck. I see you. I see you over there. Don't do it. No. Nope, that was not. I got. We're going off the rails here. Get back. Get back. All right, we made it. Dump this out a little bit. Tough sometimes. We got hungry beasts. Just enough. Why is that messed up? Why? All right. Okay. One down. You can see I use a little trash can to keep these in, and keep my mealworms in here too. They like mealworms, dried mealworms. All right, there's one situation. Don't ever let your chickens run out of food like that. It'll stress them out. And they'll end up, it'll interrupt their laying of eggs. So next we're going to do a separate container with oyster shell, which gives them some calcium. You can mix it in their food too if you want. I'm just going to make a separate container full of it, and we're going to try that. Just like that. I got some in their food, but that's alright. Mix it in there. Now comes the hard part. Alright, I'm going in. I got. one. Don't mind me, just set this in here. And you pet when you're feeding them too, though. But you pet them. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Alright, should be good. Should be good. Don't think about it. My poor brown chickens there. Got their feathers all messed up. Old Midnight though, she's pretty. All black. And Cluck, he's pretty. He's just a butthead. And he'll try to eat you. Alright, so there you go. Check their water. They got plenty of water. So hopefully that calcium will help them a little bit. And I haven't given them some oyster shell. I ran out. So just keep that in mind when you run out of stuff like that. It's going to disrupt their laying cycle. So you might go a couple days with some days where they don't lay as many eggs. And I try to keep it all full, but you know, it happens. So look at our critters. The cats are hungry too. Time to feed and water the cats. Goody, goody, goodies. Thanks for watching.